Hey guys, it's MG back again with another G Fuel video, and today I wanted to mix Tropical Rain and FaZeBerry together to see what we would get and see if it tastes good or not. But yeah, I'm gonna mix these two together, and I got the water right here and I got the ice ready as well. So I'm gonna pour the water in first. Alright, I should have taken this out first, but we'll take it out, put it right there. I think it needs a little bit more water. It should be good. Let me get the G Fuel ready and I'll get back to you. Alright, so we got half of Tropical Rain right there. Right there. And we're going to pour that in. Alright, so there's half of Tropical Rain, and I'm gonna get FaZeBerry ready. And then there's the FaZeBerry, half right there. And we're gonna be throwing this in. There it is, the Tropical Rain and FaZeBerry right there. And now we're gonna shake it up. So let me put the camera down. Alright, let me close this up. So I'm gonna put the thing back in. Close that. Close it back up. Then we're gonna shake it. Alright, so it's all shaken up. Let's look at the color. Let me open this up. And it looks kind of purple. Yeah, it's purple. It looks purple. But, I don't know, it looks pretty good. It smells pretty good. It smells like raspberry. But we'll try it right now. Kind of smells grapey too. But let me taste it. I honestly don't think it's gonna taste good, but we'll see. Well, here's our first try. Wow, that is really good. Oh my god, that tastes amazing. I did not think that was in a mix. That tastes really good. It tastes like, kind of like, yeah, it tastes like raspberry. But I don't know, it kind of does taste a lot like FaZeBerry. But I could taste a lot of, I taste a lot of raspberry though. That is really good though. Oh my god. I really recommend it if you guys have these two flavors. I really recommend to mix it because it is really good. But that is it. Tropical Rain and FaZeBerry mixed together. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and please subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you guys in the next one.